Alright y'all, it's Bear. We're going to try to do this before it gets dark. I've run into problems. My normal spot has been invaded with bees. So hopefully this will do. But today, we're going to do some gnocchi. Skillet gnocchi. Chicken sausage, tomatoes, and basil. A little salt, pepper, and olive oil. That's it. So I've already got some water going for the gnocchi. Get it opened up. Give myself a little space from that in case we have a spill. Let's go ahead and get the gnocchi in. We've got an Italian chicken sausage. Now, my instructions say to cook the sausage, push it to the side, throw the tomatoes in, blister them, and cook them, but I think we can do it all at once. So I'm chopping and throwing in the pan while the gnocchi boils. And I'll tell you what, y'all, I'm about tired. I just finished up my 5th 12-hour shift. Took about a 3-hour nap, and now I'm out here doing this. Did y'all see the bags under my eyes last week? I did a night hike out in Gnocchi. In the same way, I took about a 3-hour nap and came out and filmed. Y'all, this guy's gonna come together quick. Gnocchi only takes a few minutes to cook. I'll give these guys just a little more heat. Some salt. And some pepper. And I'm gonna go drain the gnocchi off. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, she's happening fast, y'all. Toss the gnocchi with a little olive oil. Basil ready. There we go. The tomatoes are starting to blister. The sausage is browning up. That's what we want. We just want them to blister up nice. We don't want them to go all the way to a sauce. Yeah, when I got done with the night hike out in Gnocchi, here's a pic of me hanging out, taking a break in the middle of the night as we were scrambling down these rocks. But when we got done, I went over to Morrow Mountain and went up to the overlook, and I spotted a big old rattlesnake. Here, I'll roll in a couple pictures for you. Yeah, there, tomato. hit it with just a touch more black pepper. And fresh basil. There we go, y'all. Gnocchi skillet. Chicken, sausage, tomatoes, and basil. Let's dig in. Let's see if I cooked anything worth eating. It was funny, you know, I told 2 people about that night hike in Uwharrie, and both of them were like, there's rattlesnakes in Uwharrie. Oh man, you have to know your own risk tolerance. Oh wow, man, it smells really good. Let's see, I want a little everything. Some basil, some tomatoes, some chicken sausage, some gnocchi. Come here, chicken sausage. Here we go. Here we go, that one. It's got a little bit of everything. Sausage, tomato, gnocchi, basil. Oh yeah. Man, that's a good piece of pasta for camp. Look here, we'll see you on the trail.